In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in Microsoft Teams. Let's face it, interacting with someone who's too intrusive or simply not relevant to your work can be quite distracting or even unsettling. Fortunately, Microsoft Teams offers a way to block individuals, and in this tutorial, we'll go through this process step by step, ensuring you can regain control over your interactions and maintain a productive environment. Firstly, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams application on your computer. If you're accessing Teams through a web browser, the procedure is pretty much the same, so don't worry. Once you have Teams open, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll find several icons there, but for our purpose today, click on the chat icon. This is generally represented by a speech bubble. By clicking there, you'll see a list of all the active and past conversations you've had, neatly arranged. Next, scroll through your chat list to find the person you wish to block. If the list is extensive and you're having trouble locating their name, there's a handy search bar at the top of the screen. Simply type the person's name into this search field, and it should pop right up. Once you've found the contact, click on their name to open the chat dialog with that individual. After you open the chat, you need to focus on the top section of the chat window. You should see their name, and up in that same area, you'll spot a three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Options or ellipsis menu. Click this to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for options related to blocking or restrictions. In most recent versions of Teams, you should see an option to block the contact. Select this option. At this point, Microsoft Teams might prompt a confirmation dialog, just to ensure that you really intend to block the person. It's always good to double-check your decision, as blocking isn't usually reversible without some potential consequences or administrative oversight. Once you confirm your choice, the contact. This means you will no longer